Hey guys, Jay from JSFILMZ here. Well, I am trying so hard to get some footage out for you guys. I got the Parrot drone today, the Anafi, and I'm comparing it to the DJI Mavic Air, but it's been crazy. I was getting the SD card error for the longest time, and I was about to pack it up and wrap it up, but I pretty much power cycled it and then formatted the card, and somehow it worked. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a 360 video, so you can look around, but basically what we're doing is just getting some footage from both the cameras and see which one's better. Got the Parrot here. Let's go ahead and fire her up. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do standard mode, and we're gonna do natural, take it out of that nonsense. I'm gonna change it to 30 frames per second because that's what the Mavic Air has. I'm gonna go to the shutter speed, ISO, I'm gonna crank that up to 800 for now, and then so 30, I can go to 1/60th. Okay. All right, auto white balance, 4K, standard mode. This HDR, it's not HDR. All right, the HDR is off. So for the shutter speed, we're gonna kick it back again to 60th. 400 ISO, change it to 800 ISO. And let's go ahead and take off. All right, so what we're gonna do first, oh, Jesus. So we're gonna do up close of this waterfall here, record, and we're gonna push forward. There we go. Yeah, this thing is like drifting forward. It is drifting like crazy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like moving forward. See? That is weird. I don't like that at all. That's not good. So we switched it over to cinema. Dude, that thing is fucking drifting forward. All right. Look at that. That is... that's weird. So I'm going to record again. That is just really weird. 1/60th, 30th. And it's just hovering there. All right, recording again. Backing up this time. Decline. Somebody's trying to call me. Not good. Okay. That was my mom just trying to call me. Yo! Flying a drone. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna bring this drone back. Okay, so that's that.